So Dan Jones is my name from Parks Victoria. I'm a senior ranger here at the Yarra Ranges. 2.5 years ago we had quite a large storm come through and there was a lot of damage, and it closed the park for over 2 years. Over that period we managed to get some insurance money to do some repair work. We also got some extra funding to spruce the place up, and one of those jobs that we did was to obtain new picnic tables. There was a local push to try and get recycled plastic rather than timber or metal. We used Replas as our supplier. So as part of the project we replaced all our picnic tables. We pretty well did a like for like, so we've got roughly around 30 settings in the park. So we're really happy with the Replas product so far. It also includes part of the Parks Victoria ethos, actually trying to reuse products rather than getting metal or timber in to do the job. And actually part of the rationale of using the plastic too is its longevity. So the tables that we had were probably 20 years old. They'd been sanded and painted. They were chipping away and cracking, whereas we expect the Replas product to last a lot longer, more like sort of 40 years plus even. We're hoping that they'll stay in a really good quality for a much longer period of time.